When a customer complains, the goal is not to win the conversation, it's to repair trust. Use L.A.R.F. Listen, apologize, resolve, and follow up. First, listen. Let the customer explain without interruption. Note names, dates, reference numbers, and what matters most. Then paraphrase. So just to make sure I've got this right, it shows you were paying attention. Second, apologize. A strong apology acknowledges impact, not necessarily blame. I'm really sorry this has happened. I can see how frustrating this must be. Keep it genuine, specific, and respectful. Third, resolve. Confirm the outcome the customer wants. Offer the best option you can. Give a choice where possible, and be clear about what happens, who owns it, and by when. Finally, follow up. Do what you promised. Check it is resolved, then share the feedback internally so the cause can be fixed. Quality means the customer feels heard, a specific commitment is made, and the promise is kept.